Have you been to Avenue Sound lately? Did you know you do an alarm and remote starter right on your original key? We have this Dodge Grand Caravan here. Went ahead and did a remote car starter right on the factory key by hitting the lock button 3 times. You also hear that alarm chirping every time because it has an aftermarket alarm system. If anybody hits the car, jacks up the car, breaks into the car, the alarm will go off. Now the car is on and running. In addition, we also did wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. I'm gonna show you how it works with an iPhone right now. So we got to connect our Apple CarPlay. Go ahead and get that done. Now it shows my phone connected. Use wireless CarPlay. Delete the technician's phone. This way just the client's phone is in there and the main phone for that matter. And bam. Now we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available for us. Again, this is Apple CarPlay. Works right on the touchscreen. Put the car in reverse. We see our rear camera. The car back in park. Camera goes away. If I go to music, I can see all my music here. If I touch the steering wheel, I can go ahead and control my music. Wireless Apple CarPlay with this Kenwood car stereo and an alarm remote car starter with Viper. Come down to Avenue Sound, Long Island, New York if you want to get your car upgraded today.